Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this great value beef shepherd's pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So we've got our shepherd's pie, you're going to need a food thermometer, and then we have a baking sheet. If you don't have a baking sheet though, just go ahead and use some tin foil. Now the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then we're going to go ahead and take our beef shepherd's pie out of here and place it on our baking sheet. Most important thing here is leave your film intact. Don't make any cuts in it, leave it all there. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 55 minutes and then we're gonna check in on it. All right guys, it's been 55 minutes in the oven. We're gonna take our film off of our shepherd's pie and then we're gonna put this back into the oven for another 15 minutes or so until it's done. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been the additional 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check our temperature right now. All right, so we have reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees or more, so this shepherd's pie is done. If you'd like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase it again or not. In the meantime though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.